If you want to screen mirror phone to Amazon Fire TV, you are at the right place. We have got a way to do that. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: screen mirror phone to Amazon Fire TV. If you want to screen mirror phone to Amazon Fire TV, hold down the home button first. Navigate to the display mirroring option and click it. Thus, the screen must be up for screen mirroring. Next, you should approach your phone. Your phone should also have a similar option like screen mirroring. Make sure you are using the same Wi-Fi in your TV and phone. Now connect to the same Wi-Fi as your Fire TV or your Firestick, then scroll down from the top. Next, you must go to tap on the SmartView option and your Fire TV is already in the background. Thus, choose this Grant Access and click Start Now to initiate the TV connection. Although the connection time could take up to 15 seconds, you may also flip your phone by switching to the horizontal mode. You can also disconnect this anytime and back to your normal settings on your Fire TV. That's all. And there you have it. This process will help you to screen mirror phone to Amazon Fire TV. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know about the method. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.